You can post fixed asset maintenance from a purchase document like a purchase invoice, or from a fixed asset journal or a fixed asset GL journal. In this example, I will post maintenance from a purchase invoice, and let's post some maintenance for the conveyor belt. So let me return to my role center and create a new purchase invoice. And let's take vendor 10,000. There we go. So I will enter the vendor invoice number, and we will of course post to a fixed asset. So here I will select fixed asset. Like I just said in this example, let me use the conveyor belt. Quantity is 1 and then the direct unit cost. So what is the maintenance amount that is being invoiced by the vendor? So let's take 680. All right, so far so good. But if I would post this, and that's very, very important to realize, this would be posted as an additional acquisition cost. And that's of course not what we want. We want to post this as maintenance. Now, to post this as maintenance, you will have to change the fixed asset posting type from acquisition cost to maintenance. Now, this field is not displayed in the standard layout of the purchase lines, which means that I will have to go to personalize and add a field. So let me click here in the lines section, then add field. So here you can see all the additional fields that we can use. And if you scroll down, you will see the fixed asset posting type field. All right, let me add it, I don't know, somewhere here, wherever. There we go. And you can already see that by default, this is set to acquisition cost. But now to post this invoice as maintenance, I can select maintenance, as you can see here. And this is now considered as maintenance, and the program will post this to the maintenance GL account. And also very important, would also post this in the fixed asset application area as maintenance. So let's go and have a look at the results. I will click here on Finance Fixed Assets. And if I open the conveyor lift, no, it was a conveyor belt, sorry, my mistake. So let's go back one asset, there we go. And you can check this in a couple of ways. So for example, I could go to the fixed asset statistics. And now here at the bottom, you see that there is a maintenance of 680. All right, but you can also check the maintenance ledger entries. So if I click here on Navigate, History, I can go to the maintenance ledger entries, and there for this fixed asset, you will of course see one entry. So this is how you can post maintenance from a purchase invoice.